Let's be honest, clutter builds up faster than we expect. One day everything feels fine, and the next, every surface is full. But the good news is, you don't need more space, just smarter solutions. Today, we're exploring some clever Amazon finds that help organize your home, simplify storage, and make everyday living feel a whole lot easier. If you want to check any of them out, you'll find all the links down in the description. Let's start in the fridge, because that's usually where disorganization begins without us noticing. These rolling fridge organizers slide forward smoothly, turning hard-to-reach areas into usable space you can actually access. Instead of stacking items and forgetting what's behind them, everything becomes visible, easy to grab, and far less likely to go to waste. It makes grocery routines faster, reduces clutter, and gives the entire fridge a more intentional layout. You'll notice the difference every single day. Most sets are priced between $20 and $35. Just below that, the under-sink cabinet finally gets some structure. This organizer adds sliding tiers that work around plumbing while creating dedicated zones for cleaners, brushes, and supplies. Instead of crouching down and searching through a pile, you pull the shelf out and everything is right there. It transforms an awkward, frustrating space into something efficient and easy to maintain. A small fix, but a huge daily convenience. Most options range from $25 to $40. Next, let's reclaim valuable floor space. This drying rack expands when needed and folds away neatly once the job is done, so it never feels like permanent clutter in your home. The frame is strong enough for regular laundry while still being lightweight enough to store easily between uses. Perfect for apartments, shared homes, or anywhere flexibility matters. It keeps functionality without sacrificing space. Expect pricing between $35 and $55. Now here's one of those upgrades that feels small but changes how your kitchen looks instantly. This magnetic paper towel holder attaches directly to the fridge using vertical space instead of cluttering your countertops. There's no installation, no tools. Just place it where it works best and gain that extra breathing room immediately. It keeps essentials accessible while maintaining a cleaner visual flow throughout the space. Simple, practical, effective. Usually priced around $15 to $25. To bring order to shelves and closets, these fabric storage cube bins offer flexible organization that doesn't feel rigid or bulky. They hide everyday clutter while still looking soft and cohesive, blending easily into living rooms, bedrooms, or storage units. Because they're lightweight, you can rearrange them anytime your needs change without effort. They create that neat, uniform look while keeping everything accessible. A simple way to make spaces feel finished instead of crowded. Most multi-packs cost between $20 and $30. Now moving into everyday kitchen tools that support a cleaner setup. This can opener is compact, smooth to operate, and far easier to store than oversized gadgets that take over drawers. It delivers reliable performance without adding unnecessary bulk, which is exactly what a decluttered kitchen needs. Tools that work without demanding space. It's the kind of upgrade you don't think about until you use it. Small footprint, consistent usefulness. Most models range from $15 to $25. If your desk tends to collect scattered items, this 9-drawer organizer creates instant structure. Each drawer gives small essentials a home, helping you separate tools, paperwork, and accessories without spreading them across the surface. It makes your workspace feel calmer, more focused, and easier to maintain throughout the day. Less visual noise means better productivity and less cleanup later. A simple addition with lasting impact, usually priced between $25 and $45. For the bathroom, this clear shower curtain liner keeps things bright while protecting your main curtain from moisture and wear. Its transparent design avoids visual heaviness, helping smaller bathrooms feel more open and less crowded. It's easy to clean, easy to replace, and quietly maintains order without adding extra maintenance to your routine. Sometimes decluttering is about simplifying what you already use. Functional, minimal, and reliable. Most liners cost between $10 and $20. When unexpected messes happen, this portable carpet and upholstery cleaner keeps things under control without requiring bulky equipment. It's compact enough to store in a closet, but powerful enough to handle spills, stains, and everyday accidents right when they occur. Instead of waiting for deep cleaning days, you manage problems immediately and keep your home looking maintained. Convenience without sacrificing storage space. That balance makes it incredibly practical. Pricing usually ranges from $90 to $130. And to add storage without adding furniture, these adhesive hooks make use of vertical surfaces throughout your home. Attach them in entryways, kitchens, or bathrooms to hold bags, towels, or tools while keeping counters and floors clear. No drilling means flexibility. You can reposition them as your needs change. They're simple solutions that quietly reduce clutter in everyday routines. Easy to install, easy to live with. Most packs are priced between $10 and $20. Quick pause for a second. If you're seeing something that could make your space easier to manage, you'll find all the product links waiting down in the description. Now let's continue in the kitchen with something that brings order back to your coffee station. This coffee maker countertop organizer creates vertical storage for pods, mugs, and accessories, keeping everything in one defined area instead of spreading across the counter. It turns a busy corner into a clean, functional setup while making mornings feel smoother and more intentional. You get convenience without sacrificing workspace. Most versions are priced between $30 and $50. Right after that, these large cube storage unit boxes step in for bigger organization needs. They're perfect for storing seasonal items, clothing, or bulk supplies while still fitting neatly into shelving systems. The structured shape keeps everything contained, helping rooms feel less crowded and far more manageable. It's about hiding the chaos while keeping access easy. Typically priced around $25 to $40 per set. Now here's a smart little upgrade for the sink area. This 5-in-1 kitchen soap dispenser combines multiple essentials: soap, sponge storage, and tray organization into one compact unit. Instead of scattered bottles and wet sponges, everything stays contained in a clean, defined space. It simplifies both cleaning and the look of your counter. Most are available between $15 and $25. Moving into the bathroom, this corner shower caddy finally uses that empty vertical space. It stacks your shampoos, soaps, and essentials upward instead of outward, freeing the tub edges from clutter. Everything stays visible, organized, and easy to reach during daily routines. It's one of those changes that instantly makes the room feel more open. Pricing usually ranges from $20 to $35. To add warmth while still staying organized, woven storage baskets bring both function and style. They hold blankets, laundry, or everyday items while blending naturally into decor instead of looking purely utilitarian. It's storage that feels intentional rather than hidden. Great for living rooms, bedrooms, or entryways needing soft organization. Most options fall between $25 and $45. Back in the kitchen drawer, this premium utensil tray creates defined sections so tools stop sliding into one another. The antimicrobial design keeps things cleaner while giving every utensil a dedicated place, making drawers easier to maintain long term. You open the drawer and everything just stays put. Simple structure, lasting order. Usually priced around $15 to $25. Now for a wall-mounted drying rack that completely rethinks laundry organization. This version folds flat against the wall when not in use, saving space while still offering strong support for air drying clothes when needed. It's ideal for compact homes where every square foot counts. Functional when open, invisible when closed. Most models cost between $30 and $50. In the pantry, this rice dispenser keeps dry goods sealed, measured, and easy to access without bulky packaging taking over shelves. The built-in measuring system reduces spills while maintaining freshness, turning loose storage into a clean, controlled setup. It's a small shift that makes daily cooking feel more organized. Less mess, better flow. Expect pricing between $20 and $35. Looking upward again, this wall-mounted pot rack frees cabinets by moving cookware into vertical storage. Pots and pans stay accessible while shelves feel lighter and less overcrowded, improving both functionality and kitchen flow. It's storage that also adds a professional, intentional look, practical and visually appealing at the same time. Most are priced between $35 and $60. And finally, this Wonder Hanger Max maximizes closet space by allowing multiple garments to hang vertically in one streamlined section. It prevents overcrowded rods while keeping clothes visible, organized, and easier to manage without needing a larger closet. Perfect for seasonal rotation or small wardrobes that need flexibility. It's a simple tool that makes closets feel twice as functional. Most packs cost between $15 and $25. And that wraps up today's lineup of smart Amazon finds designed to help you declutter and make your space work better for you. Sometimes it's not about having more space, it's about using it smarter. If you saw something that could upgrade your home, you'll find all the product links waiting down in the description. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical finds like these, and I'll see you in the next one.